In this video, I will be telling you how you can claim your recently airdropped Ontology token in your Neon wallet. I will also be telling you how you can claim any NEP5 token that has been airdropped or allocated to you on the Neo blockchain, even when it is nowhere to be seen on the blockchain interface. Now, this is one thing I did a little bit of research on, and I couldn't find anything anywhere on the YouTube or the blogs. So, this is a unique content that you can find out today. So, let's check it out. For those who don't know, I had issued a video where you can claim the ontology tokens from the Neo blockchain on a particular date. That was the 1st of March, if I'm not wrong. Guys, in that video and some subsequent videos, I had mentioned, even in the comments column, I had mentioned a specific trade that you could do. And I'm really proud to say that that trade has been very, very successful. I basically ended up making more than $40 per Neo in that particular trade in a time frame of 7 days. So guys, in these videos or in the comments or on my YouTube channel or maybe even on my Twitter and my Instagram handle, you can follow me and try and follow these small and smart trades. These are safe trades where you can make a lot of money, but these are very, very time sensitive. So I do request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and follow me either on my Twitter handle or my Instagram handle, maybe even a Facebook page, right? You can get all that information from my description below. So guys, I did get several requests. A few people commented on the YouTube video, the last video that I had submitted, and a few people did get to me on the Twitter, and they were basically asking me whether how can they claim their ontology token. They were assuming that the tokens will simply come up to their Neon wallet. So I did get my first grudge mail. So Mr. Virat Wij is the one who's probably distressed a little. He says that he moved his Neo to the Neon wallet after looking at my video, and he can't find the ontology, and that basically that Binance is already now having ontology. Guys, understand, when I had taken out my video, Binance had not announced. KuCoin was the only exchange which has announced that they will be supporting ontology. I did give you a heads up by mentioning that on the video, right? Binance did come out with the announcement later on, but I did reply to him by saying that he needs to relax and it's just a 2-minute change. You just have to place the script hash of the ontology to your Neon wallet, and it's good to go. So guys, understand one thing. I wouldn't be coming out with these videos. I wouldn't be announcing anything until and unless I am so sure about these things. It's not the first time I'm doing it. I have claimed a lot of forks and airdrops from the blockchains, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many other blockchains. Right, guys? So trust me, when I come out with these videos, I have something in mind and I know what I'm doing. And that's the only reason I'm trying to spread this knowledge. Okay? So really sorry, Viraj, if you had to move from Binance to Neon, but at that point of time, Binance had not announced whether they will be supporting ontology or not. So just to be safe, I asked you to move your Neos to your Neon wallet, where I am sure you'll be able to get the airdrop. And in this video, I will just be showing you that. Right, guys. So first, let's go to the interface of the Neo blockchain. It goes by the name of Neo Tracker. I'll put the link on the description below. Now this is one interface, just like my Ether wallet is an interface to the Ethereum blockchain. Neo Tracker is the interface to the Neo blockchain. You can check out all the transactions, all the addresses, how much does a particular address have or not, and everything will be found out in this interface itself. Now the real way of finding out, or basically to understand the hash, which is a script hash of any asset or any token, is going to the assets and checking it out here. Now yesterday, when I had claimed the ontology airdrop for my Ledger wallet, I could find the ontology in the asset column, right? I had copied its hash out here as well. However, today I cannot see it in the assets column. Now this is actually not very uncommon. These things happen. And I'm pretty sure if you check it out tomorrow, you will be able to see the ontology NEP5 token in this list, right, guys? So now what do we do now when I cannot see this? Should I panic and should I think that my ontologies are gone? No, not at all. All we have to do is try and find out the hash of ontology, the script hash, right? And one thing you need to remember, guys, is that blockchain technology is fabulous. Once the code says that you have been dropped you have been airdropped the tokens are yours. You just have to claim them. You need to know how to do that. So the point is, if it's not visible in the assets, you can go to the contracts and you can check out the ontology, which is the contract with the ontology team. And this is the hash that you're looking for. If you want to verify, I will show you how you can verify that as well. So guys, if you want to verify it, let's just open the assets and let's check out the recent asset which had come up. We can check out zprint tokens or rather the key. This is the hash that you can see from the key from the contract menu, right? Let's open the assets and let's just find the key, right? Here is it, guys. The hash that you see from the key assets is the same as that you can see 13294 ending with 7F18. 13294 ending with 7F18. So guys, this is a confirmed way of checking it out. You can get the hash, the script hash, either from the assets or the contracts. People think you can get only from the assets. This is one thing that you will not find anywhere in any other blogs or YouTube videos which I'd researched myself. Right, guys. So if you see, this is the hash that we're looking for. I'll take this hash and I'll paste it in my Neon wallet. How do we do that? Right, guys. So let's find out whether this hash will work or not. So all you have to do is go to the manage Neon settings. You go to manage tokens. You add a new token and you just copy the hash of ontology that we just found out, right? And we save it. Let's find out whether it works or not. And there you see, guys, out there we have the ontology. So we have successfully claimed it. Now we basically get 0.2 ontology for every one Neo token. So that's 0.2 for every one. And that's basically 2 ontologies for 10 Neos that I had in this wallet. One ontology, we'll be getting it later, and one is what we have claimed. Right, guys? So as I said, this thing will work, and this thing will work with any NEP5 token of Neo blockchain. So guys, I hope you like this video. If it was relevant to you, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please do comment and tell me what you didn't like and what can I do to improve. Also, please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Twitter. You can follow me on my Instagram. My handles are mentioned below on the description. I'll see you guys soon, guys. Have a great day. Have a wonderful evening, wonderful afternoon, or wonderful morning from wherever you are. I'll see you tomorrow.